Hello, my dear children. Welcome to today's class. Last class, we have discussed about friendly microorganisms. Today, we are going to discuss about harmful microorganisms. Microorganisms are indeed helpful to life. However, there are some microbes which can cause diseases to humans, animals, and in plants. Such disease-causing microorganisms are called pathogens. See, here different types of pathogens are shown. Now, can we discuss about disease-causing microorganisms in humans or pathogens in humans? Pathogens may enter in the body through air, water, food, or by direct contact with infected person. The diseases which pass from infected body to healthy body and cause disease in the healthy body are called communicable disease. Communicable diseases spread through air or airborne diseases. Common cold is one of the viral disease and it is spread through the air. During sneezing of a person who is suffering from common cold, the fine droplets of the moisture spread in air, which contains thousands of viruses. These viruses may be transferred to healthy body during breathing and it causes diseases in the healthy body. So the infected person must use handkerchief while sneezing and the healthy person must kept away from the infected person. Observe this table. Here some of the common human diseases caused by microorganisms. In the first column, these are the human diseases: tuberculosis, measles, chickenpox and polio. These four diseases are spread by air. Air is the common medium for transmission of these four diseases. And in the second column, causative microorganism or disease causing microorganism, or we can tell pathogen. In the case of tuberculosis, bacteria is the causative microorganism. Measles, chickenpox and polio caused by virus. And mode of transmission is air is the common mode of transmission for these four diseases. And in case of chickenpox and polio, through contact and or polio through water also, contaminated water also, this disease can cause. And spreading of airborne diseases can be prevented by, these are the preventive measures, general preventive measures for airborne disease. By keeping the patient in complete isolation. That is the best method for airborne disease. We should not go, those who are having these airborne diseases should not go to the crowd area. They should keep away from them. Those who are having airborne disease should come away from the crowd area. Better they can be take complete rest in sitting in a room, or that is the first preventive measure, keeping the patient in complete isolation. And there is vaccination at suitable age is also helpful. In last class we have studied for these airborne diseases there is perfect vaccinations. We are getting at the suitable age. This vaccination will also helpful to prevent these diseases. Communicable diseases spread through water or waterborne diseases. Cholera, typhoid, polio, hepatitis B are caused due to drinking of water containing pathogens of respective diseases. To prevent such diseases, we should maintain personal hygiene and good sanitary habits. And we should eat properly cooked food and drink boiled water or clean water. Vaccination also helpful to prevent such diseases. From this table, it is clear that polio, cholera, typhoid and hepatitis B are the waterborne diseases. Cholera and typhoid are bacterial disease, whereas polio and hepatitis B are the viral diseases. And the causative organism, mode of transmission and preventive measures are given here in the table. Diseases transmitted by carriers. The organisms housefly mosquitoes which carry pathogens are called carriers. Pathogens present in the garbages stick to the body of the housefly. When houseflies sit on uncovered food, pathogens get transferred to the food. Eating such food causes diseases. For example, cholera. So to prevent that, we should keep the food covered and eat the food that is covered. Similar to housefly, female mosquitoes carries the protozoa, carries the causative organism protozoa from the infected body to the healthy body. Like that, human being will get different other diseases. One of the disease is malaria. So we should control the population of mosquitoes so that we can control the spread of malaria, dengue, chikungunya, like that human diseases. Basically all mosquitoes breed in water. So we should not let water collect anywhere like in tires, flower pots, in coolers, etc. So we should keep our surroundings clean and dry. These are the preventive measures to control the disease spread by mosquitoes or spread by carriers. Disease caused microorganisms in animals. Anthrax is a dangerous human and cattle disease caused by a bacterium called Bacillus anthracis. These pathogens will be present naturally in the soil and commonly affect the domestic and wild animals around the world. And the part of the wild animals which is directly in contact with the soil, it will be affected, especially the foot and mouth of the cattle. And it can make scratches on the human body and later it will enter to the body. So it is a dangerous disease for both human and cattle. So vaccination can prevent such diseases. Disease causing microorganisms in plants. Diseases in plants result in less crop production. Some of these diseases are citrus canker is caused by bacteria and transmitted through air. Rust of wheat, fungi and transmitted to air and seed. Yellow vein mosaic of okra or bindi. The pathogen is virus and it is transmitted through insects.